In today's video, I'm going over how to determine how long a flip's going to take, coming up next. The overall time that it takes to complete a fix and flip can vary tremendously from project to project. And although there are several different factors that affect the timeline of your project, many steps must be taken in a specific sequence in order for your investment to be considered a success. Before we begin, I want to welcome all the new members to the channel. I made this channel for you, the new and experienced investor. Make sure that you like and subscribe so that you don't miss your chance to create the life you've always wanted through real estate. So first, beginning a fix and flip. So this is something that you need to plan for. You need to be ready for. You need to have your contractor ready. You need to have all your ducks in a row. So there's going to be issues that come up. They do in every flip. You just need to learn how to deal with those issues. Always create a budget for your flip. And again, that's just preparation. Make sure that you have all your numbers correct. What you purchased the property for, how much your rehab budget is going to be, and then what you can sell it for at the end of the day. You'll save a lot of headaches if you get all this done up front and are prepared for anything that happens during that flip. Let's talk about financing your flip. You can have cash if you're lucky enough to have cash, then go out and buy a flip. You can pay as low as you want. Here in California, can't get too low, but there's mobile homes for sale for $100,000, or you can pay millions of dollars for a flip. Just depends really how much cash you have. And if you do have a substantial amount of cash, then I would have you check into hard money financing. With the hard money financing, you're going to be able to purchase way more deals than just purchasing one property with cash. The next thing you have to be concerned about is renovating your flip. And again, this is all preparation that's done up front. So there is a step-by-step process for renovating your flip, the demo, and then starting to put the property back together so that your cabinet people can come in, your painters, flooring people, tile work. All this stuff is just like a cookie cutter thing, but there is a process to it. Once you learn the process, everything goes a lot smoother. The last thing you're going to do is sell your flip. And as I've discussed in other videos, I price my properties at the value that that particular neighborhood is commanding at the time. I try not to. I never price it over. You're not going to get the amount of activity that you're looking for. Yeah, you may have put in some fancy stuff in there and you're thinking, I can get a lot more money if I do this. No, you can't. Price it at the right property, at the right price, and maybe even lower to start getting all these people coming over to take a look at it. And then once you get the offers in, then you can start raising the price after that. There's no particular right or wrong amount of time it takes to complete a fix and flip project. Every property and investor is different, but with the right planning, preparation, and resources, there's a high chance it'll be a successful project and an experience that you'll benefit from. If you want to see more flipping videos, then click on this video right here. I walk through my son-in-law's new live-in flip. There's a bunch of new custom features that I know that you're really going to love. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. I'm always here to help.